So when you set up your login details, we're gonna change the profile. So when you click on the picture, as you already seen, I already an existing Steemit user, so in your case it will be a blank icon. You go to settings. You will see in the settings that you can choose a different language via the drop down menu, as you see. So choose the language you prefer. You got your profile picture in URL, and I will show you how to create that link so that your profile picture will be correct and that everything will be look nice in your profile. You can change your cover image in a different color. I will show you in a bit how to do it as well. And of course your display name. So your username will always be the name that you have set up. However, you can always change, as you see here. My name Arnold van Buren is up here. You can change that in the display name. And then what it's about. It's not about a subject, it's about what you do. So are you, well, in my case I'm a web and game developer and an instructor, but maybe in your case you like to, let's say, talk about cars, so maybe you're a mechanic, etc. You can then use your location, so you can say that you are from, let's say, Europe or from America or from Asia, and you can just type in your location in there. So to create the profile picture, there is a way to do it. Is you can go to a website and use a picture, or the best way to do it is you're just gonna press post, and then what we'll do is you're gonna drag a picture. Let me just see if I can have a picture. Drag a picture in the post. You will see a link up here. So instead of using this bit, you're using the link between the brackets all the way until the end of the brackets. Okay, so don't copy the brackets just behind the brackets until the brackets. You can copy this link. You go back to your profile, and then you literally paste it in here. Okay, so because I've already done it, I'm not gonna paste that link in my profile. But if you are new, you can take the link from your post to the profile, save it, and your profile has been changed and everything has been set.